Configuring Bill.com API documentation is a straightforward process that enables developers to integrate the Bill.com platform with their applications. To begin, users must first create a Bill.com account and obtain an API key. The API key is used to authenticate API requests and ensure secure access to account data. The next step is to choose the API endpoint that corresponds to the desired action, such as creating a new bill or retrieving a list of vendors. Bill.com provides a comprehensive API documentation that outlines the available endpoints, request and response formats, and error handling mechanisms. To configure the API, users must specify the API endpoint, HTTP method, and request parameters. For example, to retrieve a list of bills, the API endpoint would be bills, the HTTP method would be GET, and the request parameters would include the bill status and date range. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure that the application can recover from failed API requests. Bill.com API returns standard HTTP error codes and provides detailed error messages to help diagnose and resolve issues. Best practices for configuring Bill.com API include using secure authentication mechanisms, such as OAuth, to protect sensitive account data. Additionally, developers should implement robust error handling and logging mechanisms to ensure that issues are detected and resolved promptly. By following these steps and best practices, developers can successfully configure the Bill.com API and integrate its functionality into their applications. This enables them to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and improve overall efficiency. The Bill.com API documentation provides detailed examples and code snippets in various programming languages to help developers get started with the integration process.